What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix the Valorant Connection Error Code WAN1067 and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one, just go over here, search for the services, and we need to click on this one and go over here in the services, and if we scroll down you can just keep scrolling down and navigate to one thing named VGC. So keep scrolling down, and over here as you can see the VGC, so right click on this one, go for the properties, and over here as you can see the startup type is being disabled. So change this to the automatic and go for apply, and make sure the service status is running. That's an important one. Once afterward, just close this and we have to move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here, search for the control panel over here. Click on this one and directly navigate to System and Security. Go for Windows Defender Firewall. Go for Allow Napper feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and keep scrolling down and navigate to over here. What we need to do is just keep scrolling down and navigate to the Valorant or the right client. So if you find the Valorant, just make sure the Valorant is added, and you have to put a check on both these boxes. And if you find the right client, so make sure the right client is added, and you have to put a check on both these boxes over here. Put a check on this box as well as this one. Put a check on both the private and public. Once the right client or bootstrap.exe or whatever, even if including the Valorant is added, all these three things should be added. The right client should be added, the bootstrap.exe should be added, and the Valorant should be added. Once it is added, we just need to close this, and you have to check. Most probably you'll not be having the trouble with the Vanguard error code WAN1067 hereafter. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.